Tips for checking the pollen count. When you are dealing with hay fever, you will do anything in your power to lessen the symptoms. One thing that many individuals do is check the pollen count regularly. Here are some ways you can check it. 1. Pollen. The website pollen.com is a great place that will give you an allergy report for your local area. It includes a 5-day forecast and a list of the top allergens. A 30-day history of pollen levels is also available for your interest. You can use the website to keep track of whether there are specific days that you need to take extra precautions in regards to your hay fever. If you are trying to figure out the right day to take your new bicycle for a spin, this website can help you to make a good choice. 2. Weather. If you are looking for a range of information on the current pollen count, weather.com is a site that can show you a variety of related information. They have several listings, and you can pick which map you would like to view depending on your preference. Maps to choose from include tree pollen, weed pollen, grass pollen, breathing index, and aches and pain index. 3. What to do when counts are high. What should you do if you check the pollen count and it gives you bad news in your area? It depends on the activity you are planning. If you are planning a non-essential activity, then you may wish to postpone it. Warm, dry days tend to have an especially high pollen count. If there is no choice but to continue with what you are doing, there are ways you can minimize the effect of pollen. Firstly, wipe a small amount of Vaseline inside your nostrils before leaving the house. It can help trap pollen before it enters your nasal passages. Secondly, if you have to leave the house, then upon returning home leave everything at the door. Throw your clothing in the washer immediately, leave your shoes at the door, and have a shower to prevent pollen from entering your home. Using a seawater nasal spray helps rinse some of the pollen away. Thirdly, if the pollen count is severe and you have to be outdoors and close to your allergy triggers, wear a filtration face mask to prevent the allergens from getting closer to you than necessary. Being aware of the pollen count can help you protect yourself from worsening your hay fever. By keeping tabs on it, you can make decisions to protect yourself. Use these tips and have a happy, healthy life free from the misery of hay fever and its triggers. Click the link below for more videos on how to save your health.